If you want to restore the shine of dry and damaged hair and achieve a sleek and straight look, so KT Advanced Hair Care's Express Keratin Pro treatment is the best choice for you. It works similar to how all great hair procedures begin with a comprehensive client consultation. This is a revolutionary treatment in which the color of the hair does not change or fade. Examine the texture of the client's hair and ensure you understand the client's expectations for the end result. Once you know the end result, start by washing the hair thoroughly with K-Hera Therapy's clarifying shampoo. Not once, but twice. It should be up to 3 times for virgin hair, but for chemically treated hair, 2 times is sufficient. It is important to remember that this product should not be massaged or rubbed into the scalp. After this, towel dry the hair completely, making sure that water is not dripping from the hair. Take the hair in equal sections for most hair types. Make 4 to 5 sections depending on the volume. As with most chemical treatments, make sure you wear gloves before applying the treatment to the client's hair. Use on henna-coated or virgin hair as well as damaged, colored hair. KT Advanced Hair Care's Express Keratin Pro treatment. Now apply an adequate amount of treatment on every section of hair, keeping in mind that it should be used in equal quantity. Starting from the nape of the neck to the tip of the hair, take care to keep the treatment ½ inch away from the scalp. The recommended amount of product is 30 to 35 ml for shoulder length hair, 40 to 45 ml for mid-waist length hair, and 50 to 55 ml for waist length hair. Continue applying treatment to every section. Once the treatment has been applied completely, comb the hair to distribute it evenly. Wrap your hair now. The process starts here. For virgin, henna-coated or coarse hair, leave the treatment for 60 minutes. If you have chemically treated hair, leave it on for 45 minutes. The time for burnt hair will be 35 to 40 minutes. Straighten fine sections of hair with medium heat and 100% blast drying. Once the process is complete, iron each section with a ceramic flat hair iron at the desired temperature for 6 to 7 strokes, depending on the type of hair. Ironing temperatures for virgin hair should be up to 210 degrees Celsius. Ironing temperature of up to 190 degrees Celsius is recommended for colored or chemically treated hair. For overprocessed or sensitized hair, the ironing temperature should be 170 degrees. Ironing the hair is the most important part of the process to ensure long-lasting results for 5 to 6 months. Now that the treatment is complete, see how smooth, straight, shiny, and vibrant the hair has become. Here's the definition of perfectly shiny and healthy hair. To maximize long-lasting results, the client should be advised not to wash their hair for 48 hours and to use K-Hera Therapy's recommended aftercare products.